YouTube channel. You are watching Megha Singer 05 and I am Megha. So today I am going to show you all some of the beautiful pieces which I have purchased recently. So guys, I think कि ये सारे के सारे ही जो अभी अपकमिंग फेस्टिविटीज आ रही हैं उनमें आपके लिए भी एक बेटर ऑप्शन होगा. इन केस मैं आपको शो करती हूँ कुछ आइडियाज फॉर दी दिवाली एंड एवरीथिंग which is coming around. So the very first piece I am going to show you all is this one. इसे मैं नेक पे लगा के नहीं दिखाऊंगी गाइस, क्योंकि आपको पता है मैंने आज नेकलाइन स्मॉल पहना हुआ है. सो यू कैन हैव द आइडिया फ्रॉम दिस साइड. You can see this is a very beautiful piece and very economic also. I will share the details of Chaya Creation from whom I have purchased this thing, and this is going to be the best one for the festivity, I hope. ये मेरी दी के लिए परचेज किया है और इसके साथ में मैं आपको दिखाना चाहूंगी ये छोटी सी इयरिंग भी है. दिस आई कैन शो यू बाय वेयरिंग ऑन माय ईयर्स ऑल्सो. So we start with this. You can see. Just give me a moment, guys. Now you can see my ears, how pretty it is looking, and the length is also perfect. अगर आपको कोई छोटे मोटे मतलब like engagement ceremony and all में भी पहनना है तो you can wear it as well. So this is only for 550, I would say. From whom we have purchased, she has given me 5% discount on this also, and she is living in Supertech Eco Village 3. For those people who are living in Delhi NCR, they might be knowing about the Supertech builder. So she is living in Supertech Eco Village 3. The details I will mention in the caption for your reference. You can have it from there. The very next piece I just want to show you from the same shop, which is Chaya Creations. You can see this one. This is more punky design. आप इसे भी देख सकते हो guys. This is a new kind of jewelry which is going to be in trend for upcoming 2 or 3 years. मैंने एक्चुअल में ये उल्टा पहन लिया है, मुझे ये इस ईयर में पहनना चाहिए था, but you can see the length and everything from this. So this we have got around 150 के around we have got this. This is oxidized jewelry. This is going to be in trend after whatever is coming nowadays. And the very next one I just want to show you guys is this beautiful neck piece. Basically this is a Mangal Sutra design, you can see, and along with this comes with this earring piece also. So this we have purchased for my Di, and because she is married एंड उनको एट अ टाइम से पहनना होता है, तो आपको तो पता है आजकल गोल्ड के रेट कितना स्पाइक कर चुके हैं ऑलरेडी. सो दिस इज अ बेस्ट ऑप्शन इन केस यू आर वांटिंग टू वियर इट एनीवेयर जहां आपको सेफ नहीं लगता है, या मतलब कहीं भी. बेसिकली आजकल तो आप देख ही रहे हो रॉबरी एंड ऑल भी बहुत ज़्यादा है और रेट्स भी बढ़ते ही जा रहे हैं. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो अ गुड ऑप्शन फॉर लेडीज who are searching for the Mangal Sutras and all. The very next piece I just want to show you this pretty oxidized collection from the Chaya Creation itself. You can see this Dulha and Dulhan kind of design, bride and groom kind of design this is. So I'm just wanting to show you all this also on my ears. This is also not a very long earring, and this is something which is different. ये मैंने अपने लिए परचेज नहीं किया है. This I have purchased for my Di, and this has cost us around 150 rupees each. So I think this is not a very costly deal. आपको जो oxidized jewelry है as compared to the artificial jewelry, that is going to be on a higher side. So you can see this, the finish of everything, and the length also you can get the idea. This is also a pretty one. See. So Apart from this, I just want to show you one of my purchase from we went to Chandni Chowk. So you can see for my brother's wedding shopping. So there we got one of the shop from where we have purchased this. You can see this one also. This has costed me around 150 or 200. So this is also oxidized kind of collection, but it is antique on the antique side. So this was also a bit costly, I thought, at the very first time. But after watching it at home, we got the idea that yes, the finish is also very beautiful. So this is the price they have charged us. And this is the bracelet. This bracelet is for kids. Di ki beti hai, so we have purchased this one for around 249 rupees from the same shop of Chandni Chowk where we went for the shopping. I don't have their number, but I can tell you where it is situated. This is adjustable kind of thing. Like if your kids are small, you can see you can adjust it like this. This is a very adjustable piece. ये मुझे भी आ जाएगा in case मैं पहनना चाहूँ तो. And you can see the shine also. This is very fine. So these are all the collections for today's video. I have kept with me. The last one I forgot. I'm sorry. This is the last one which we have purchased recently. You can see. You can call it a dangler, or you can call it whatever kind of jewelry you want. I don't know about the exact name of what kind of jewelry this is, but this is a beautiful piece. If you will wear, this is basically goes to western wear. You can see this one. This goes with western wear in a better way, and this is only for 60 rupees. Could you believe this? From the Saturday market from where we purchase so many things. So ये वहीं से है. Apart from this, whatever you want to watch, guys, you can tell me. I will make the video on that. So for today, this is the only collection we have to show you all, guys. So आप देख सकते हो. And apart from this, which kind of video you guys want, you can tell me. Please do like, share and subscribe to this channel. I would request you all to please do that. And thank you for watching till now. And please share the video with your known ones also, so that I can get the maximum reach to the people. So guys, today this is the only thing which I have to show you all. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye, lovelies. Take care.